Hi, my name is Glenn Lee. Welcome to my DIY YouTube video. I'm going to show you how to create a trimmer mower from this product right here. It's called the Hyper Tough 40 volt max cordless 13-inch string trimmer. Now, in order for you to create a trimmer mower from this, you're going to need two of these trimmers, and I'll explain why later in the video. This trimmer has two batteries that you put in like this, and the benefit of this is that it makes it mobile, that you can go long distances without the use of a cord. So it's very mobile, and it's powerful, and it's tough. And I bought two of them because it's such a great product. And you're going to need two. Again, you're going to need two of these trimmers, and basically you're going to need this attachment right here to use for the first one in order to create the mower. Okay, in order to create the trimmer mower attachment, this right here. Okay, and basically you take it off, unscrew that, take that handle off, and this right here is what you will be using when I show you the other parts that you need to use to create the trimmer mower. Now, this easily comes off. Just pull it open and pop it out. There it is. And this is the attachment along with the bolt, the screw, and that other attachment, and the screw part, the screw knob. So you're going to need this right here with the other one. Okay? All right. I'll catch you in the other half of the video. Hi, I'm down here on the floor. I have the pieces laid out of what you're going to need to create your trimmer mower. All right. I'm going to point some of them out. One of the main parts you're going to need are these two wheels for the front and two wheels for the back. Okay, and these two wheels are simply training wheels from a kid's bike. Okay, and I have detached this right here because I don't need to. I'll show you how to work that, how to put that in also. And basically, you have your screws that you have to buy, your bolts you have to buy. That's about 2.5-inch bolt to go through the bottom part of this right here. Okay, you can get that at a hardware store. And you have your lock washer. You have a lock washer piece. Okay. This attachment right here comes with the training wheels. Okay, I use that as a lock washer also. You have this right here, the attachment that comes with with this 40 volt Hyper Tough mower. Trimmer mower. And here's the knob and also the screw that goes with it. And this wheel, as you see, when I turn it around, you have to turn it straight down like that. That's going to be used to attach the training wheels, the bike's training wheels, to this back part, this pole right here, the shaft. The shaft is 2 inches. This plastic attachment piece is 2 inches away from this part right here. 2 inches away. Okay, now let's go over to the other pieces that you're going to need. Okay, the other pieces that you're going to need are the other 2 training wheels, and this is the front part of it. Okay, the other part over there was the back part. You're going to need the 2 training wheels, and remember when I said you need 2 hyper tough trimmer mower trimmers. Well, this is the second piece that you're going to need for the front part to attach the wheels to the front part. Okay. Also, I bought four reusable tie locks, so I can take them off and on. I don't have to cut the tie locks every time. I could just push a lever on there and it pulls off if I need to take it apart. Again, you're going to need a bolt to go through this part right here. Okay, to attach this to secure it. And also, don't forget, you're going to need that bolt also from the that comes with the hyper trimmer. Okay, so I'm going over these pieces and everything. So the next part is to go and assemble it. You can always, to find the right size screw that goes in here like this, you can always go take this to the hardware store and find the right piece. Okay? Alright? Okay. And here's the washer and the bolt that goes with it.